Hi Fairmount Community Library learners. Today in the Learning Lab with Miss Jessica, we are going to be making a snowstorm or a blizzard in a jar. You are going to need your supplies. You're going to need some kind of glass jar or cup. You're going to need water, baby oil, your white paint, glitter if you have it, and of course, your Alka-Seltzer tablets that came in your kit. Let's get started. For your first step, you want to add in your baby oil to the bottom of your jar. It should be about 1 inch to 2 inches covering the bottom. Next, in a different bowl or cup, whatever you have available, you're going to take about 1 cup of water and you're going to mix your paint and your water together. You're going to need about 3 tablespoons of paint. Then you're going to add in your paint water mixture into the oil. Now you can also add in some glitter if you have it available. And the last step to the snowstorm or blizzard in a jar is to add in your tablets. It makes it more fun if you break them apart and add them in pieces. Let's see what happens when we do. And there you have it, a snowstorm in a jar. This is creating a chemical reaction. The tablets that you used and the water make a gas called carbon dioxide, which forms the bubbles that you see going to the top. Did you notice that the water and oil did not mix together? Why does this happen? Water is actually heavier than oil, so it goes down to the bottom. The molecules of water are more tightly packed together than in oil. Thanks for joining the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab and creating snowstorms in a jar. Share with us your snowstorms.